I'll show you how you can add bullet points in Pages app, Pages app on Mac OS. So here I have a couple of to-do list, couple of tasks, morning tasks we have to complete. We have to click on Format here, and then here we have bullets list, and here we have notes, and I can change to numbered, Harvard, bullet 1. You also have here some no bullets to text bullets, image bullets, and numbers. And now I change this to numbers, and I can change the different type of numbers. Tired, start from. You can change that as well. You can change, of course, the color, the number size. Number. Can I that? But of course that's too big. And that's too small. All right, now indent. We have also here to circle, this kind of like circle we can add. Spacing, yeah. So overall from here, just make sure you expand this, and that's where you have to go. So I hope you found this video on how you can add bullet points in Pages app on macOS. Thanks for watching.